Why don't eggs break when hatching?
The shell of a chicken egg is about as thick as your fingernail, and it's made of just as strong a material. Under a microscope, you could see that this material consists of many small pillars. These pillars are very close together, and that's how they make the egg stable. Imagine you have a small stick in your hand. You could break it very easily, but if you wanted to break many sticks at once, it would be much harder. Also, because of its special shape, an egg is very stable. Holding a raw egg at both ends with your fingers and then crushing it is not so easy. This is because such a round shape can withstand particularly high pressure. You can observe that round shapes are particularly stable in some buildings. The windows of churches, for example, often have round arches. Even some domes of power plants look like an egg. These domes would not even break if an airplane crashed into them. Thanks to their round shape, eggs do not break when the hen sits on them. In a nutshell, thanks to their round shape and stable shell, eggs can easily withstand the weight of a hen.
There are no such things as stupid questions. And I have one more suggestion.